How to fix Snapchat camera not working. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipen Besnat, and today I'll guide you on how you can fix your Snapchat camera not working. Now it's quite simple and easy. Now first things first, what you want to do is if you open up Snapchat, or you can see that my camera is working, but if yours is not working, then what you want to do is you want to make sure that your phone has given access, or you have given access for camera for Snapchat. Now to do so, what you can do is you can scroll down the notification bar, tap on the settings icon at the top right corner of your screen, scroll down here into the apps option. Under apps, you want to search in for Snapchat. Now once you do so, you want to open up, basically you want to head into Snapchat info here. Now here you'll see the option that says permissions. You want to tap on it, and you want to make sure that your camera permission is allowed. Allow while using the app, or ask every time as you want, but you want to make sure it's allowed. And you want to make sure that the microphone option is allowed as well, in order for your camera to work as well. So these are the two basic permissions that you need for your camera to be working. If this doesn't help, then what you can do is head back, scroll down, head into storage option, tap on manage storage option at the bottom of your screen, and then tap on delete. Now this will basically remove your snaps and chats, logins, settings, personal info, app activity. So you want to make sure that your pictures are backed up, your snaps are backed up, and your account is backed up, so that you can log in back again after you do this. So this will fix the issue. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.